To buy or not to buy? That is always the question that is being asked with every stock that is in the stock market. We're going to talk about that today for SoFi. Article right here from Investor Place. Apparently we have Will Ashworth, who is a contributor for Investor Place, and he's going to give us his thesis as to whether or not SoFi is a buy or not. You guys can see overall, as a summary of this article, Will goes on to state that SoFi Technologies stock can ride its tech platform to $10 and beyond in 2024. Its move into Latin America should help its long-term revenue diversification. It must make money on a GAAP basis to move its share price higher. So there's a lot of checks that needs to be marked for SoFi to go higher, according to Will. Will they do it in 2024? Time will tell. But apparently it looks like Galileo is a business that SoFi has bought out. I recently included SoFi on a list of 3 AI stocks leading the intelligent tech revolution. I was adamant that the company's $1.2 billion 2020 acquisition of Galileo Financial Technologies would be a big part of its double-digit charge in 2024. I think this is the crux as to whether or not SoFi is going to go up or not, according to Will. When Galileo was acquired, it had been working with SoFi, providing it with payment processing solutions for SoFi Money. Galileo also had other large customers to include T. Rowe Price and H&R Block. CEO Anthony Noto proactively went after the company so that it could secure its future as a fintech leader. The expansion into Latin America is going to be real important. And I agree. I mean, any company who wants to grow, who wants to increase revenue, who wants to bring shareholder value needs to increase their market share. And that is a continual thing. So maybe SoFi throughout 2024 will continue to run on that premise and actually increase its market share in Latin America. Will talked about it last October. So here it is, January, and he's still trying to bring it up. The company's March 2022 press release announced its expansion into Colombia, stating, "The combination of Technis platform with Galileo will uniquely support multiple products, including checking, savings, deposits, lending, and credit cards, as well as future products, all surfaced through industry-leading APIs." I wrote on October 12, 2023. So Will is really trying to drum up this acquisition of Galileo that SoFi did. But what if Latin America doesn't want to use Galileo or SoFi? That's going to hurt the price of SoFi stock, plain and simple. Okay. Profitability is a must. That is duh. Like, who don't know that? Any business that don't make money will have a cratering stock price and probably go into bankruptcy. The company has made significant strides in 2023 in deposits, new members, adjusted net revenue growth, and non-GAAP profitability. As of September 30th, it had $15.61 billion in interest-bearing deposits. $15 billion. More than double from $7.27 billion at the end of 2022. So money is coming into SoFi. It finished the quarter with over 6.9 million members, 47% more than in September 2022. They're bringing in customers with money. Its adjusted net revenue should be $2.06 billion based on the midpoint of 2023 guidance, up 34% from $1.54 billion in 2022. So everything is going up in SoFi. They're doing the correct thing in SoFi on a business type basis. But what does the market think? Let's go ahead and look at SoFi real quick. What does the market think then? Where will the market be at the ending of 2024? because the price, even though SoFi is hitting on all cylinders, look like, why isn't the market trending higher? If the company doesn't deliver GAAP profitability in 2024, my Investor Place colleague Chris McDonald suggests it will make a GAAP profit of 6 cents. I'm not sure investors would be very patient if it doesn't. A misfire could keep its share price in the lower half of the $5 and $10 range. Well, we're already there now. So pretty much you're not looking for the market to move? Well, I referred to it in the introduction. While there is risk involved in SoFi stock, the risk-reward proposition is tilted in your favor. I'll say it's a yay rather than a nay in 2024. Wow. To reduce your risk, this is what Will is trying to write. Consider options. The June 21 $10 call has 155 days to expiration. Its ask price of this writing was 62 cents or a 6.2 down payment on its shares. In the worst case, the shares don't move higher and you're out 62 bucks because each option has 100 shares. That's why it's $62. Look at the stock price. Worst case scenario is him seeing it down there around $5. Should we come through and change our price prediction right now? Because for us, we're looking for the market to go down at SoFi. Let me do a quick look. Okay, because the last couple of days has been very positive in SoFi. You guys can see that the price came and hit our first target buy zone. Hopefully you took something off there. That was around what, 6% move there, 6% profit there. We could get rid of that. And then the market came to our second buy zone, which is another opportunity to chip off more profit, which is 13.79. Did you do that? And as you can see, the buyers are holding that second buy zone. I'm going to continue to go forward with the weakness on the chart for SoFi, but it is a good thing for us to see the price hold this second buy zone. Our third target is at this lower end third buy zone. We'll see if the market hits that. Okay. But yeah, those buyers really stepped in on our second buy zone. I don't like the 3-week chart at all. Don't like that at all on SoFi. So yeah, let me hold it here for a little bit. Once we get a little bit more trading days under the belt, we'll make another adjustment if we need to about where we think price is going to go. But go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.